Okay, so this is regarding the Newcomb's paradox, which the Veritasium channel has recently posted. I didn't know about the paradox before watching their video, and I had to watch their video twice and even search for on the internet to get complete clarity of what that paradox actually is. Uh, so here I want to talk about something that I think nobody's talking about. The and it is about the power given to the supercomputer, because the paradox is not solved, and there are groups of there are two groups of people uh, having two different opinions on it. So what I think is the problem, I may be wrong, is is the is the ability of the supercomputer, or the power with the supercomputer, right? So what the supercomputer is doing, he has already predicted of thousands of people before you enter the room. He has already predicted their decisions correctly. So and so if he is able to predict everything correctly, all the decisions that the people are making, that means uh, he can just predict everything correctly, all the people's decision. That means he can just know the future. He can because the future depends on all the small decisions that we make as individual or group of people. So all the small decisions that we make, so the future depends on all these decisions, right? And if the supercomputer is able to predict that any decision, that means you can just imagine that he can predict all the people's decision in the world, and he can also predict the future, and not only predict but predict correctly. So if he can predict all the decisions correctly, uh, then how can we talk about decision making in the same paradox, right? How are we left with the power to make any decision? This is what I think. So this is what I think is this the ability of the power given to the supercomputer, or the ability of the supercomputer is something absurd to start with the paradox with, is what I think.